Look at the beauty of creation. Every bird, every song, every color tells a story. Water bird fauna refers to birds that live near or depend on water, such as lakes, rivers, wetlands, and oceans. These birds are adapted to swim, dive, or feed in water, often having webbed feet, long legs, or waterproof feathers. Examples include the duck, swan, heron. Water birds glide across rivers and lakes, bringing life and beauty to the world of water. The cockatoo is a beautiful parrot known for its bright white or pale colored plumage and its striking crest of feathers on the head. This crest can rise or lower depending on the bird's mood, making the cockatoo very expressive. It has a strong curved beak used for cracking nuts and seeds. Its broad wings allow smooth and powerful flight. Cockatoos are highly intelligent and social, often communicating with loud calls and playful behavior. Bird feathers are specially designed to protect them from rain and moisture. Many birds have water-resistant feathers that keep. The sparrow's simple brown plumage is a quiet beauty, perfectly designed to hide, protect, and help this small bird thrive in many environments. The dove is a symbol of peace and gentleness. With its soft feathers and graceful flight, it moves quietly through the sky, reminding us of calm, hope, and harmony in nature. In the quiet forest of spring, the robin appears with its bright red breast and cheerful song. A small bird, yet its voice fills the air with the promise of new life. The hummingbird, tiny yet extraordinary, dances in the air with wings beating faster than the eye can see. In the world of wildlife, it is a symbol of energy, beauty, and the delicate balance of nature. The red kite, with its rich reddish-brown plumage and deeply forked tail, glides effortlessly through the sky. A graceful hunter, it moves with elegance and power across the open landscape. This bird often soars high above fields and forests, using its sharp eyesight to search for food below. The sparrow, small and unassuming, wears a coat of brown and gray. The male shows a subtle black bib, while the female blends quietly into her surroundings. Every feather is designed for survival, warmth, and swift flight through the world it calls home. Their compact feathers allow quick, agile. The seagull is a coastal bird known for its graceful flight over oceans, lakes, and beaches. Its feathers are usually white with gray or black wingtips, providing a striking contrast against the sky and water. The gull soars effortlessly over the waves, wings outstretched, before landing gently on water or sand. Every movement is a dance of balance and grace, a perfect display of nature in motion. Crafted for life in the wild, their flight, their song, and their movements tell a story of nature's precision and freedom. Gulls are strong flyers, able to glide effortlessly for long distances and hover above the water before diving for food. Their landing is precise, often touching down smoothly on water or sand, using their webbed feet to stabilize and steer. In the summer forest, the parrot bursts with color and life. Its bright feathers, strong beak, and lively flight remind us of nature's joy and the wonders of the wild. The canary, with its golden feathers and sweet song, brings color and melody to nature. Like a little jewel in the forest, it reminds us that even the smallest birds can fill the world with beauty. Their song is melodic, filling gardens and forests with music. The parrot is a vibrant and intelligent bird, often seen in lush forests during summer. When nature is alive with color and sound, parrots have brightly colored plumage greens, reds, blues, and yellows that makes them stand out against leafy canopies. The African gray parrot, with its soft gray feathers and vivid red tail, moves gracefully through the trees. Intelligent, alert, and elegant, it is a true marvel of the natural world. Renowned for mimicking sounds and human speech, this parrot shows nature's brilliance in both beauty and intelligence. The snowy owl glides silently over the icy tundra, its white feathers blending with the snow. Regal, wise, and powerful, it is a true marvel of the wild. Swans have long, curved necks and strong wings that allow graceful flight over water and land. Their webbed feet help them paddle effortlessly. The swan glides across the water with elegance, its white plumage shimmering in the sunlight, a symbol of grace and beauty. It reminds us of the quiet wonders of nature. Parrots have brightly colored plumage greens, reds, blues, and yellows that makes them stand out against leafy canopies. The seagull is a coastal bird known for its graceful flight over oceans, lakes, and beaches. Its feathers are usually white with gray or black wingtips, providing a striking contrast against the sky and water. When birds sing, creation itself is praising.